Did you know that by 2025, the global AI market is projected to exceed $100 billion? Yes, you heard that right. Welcome to the frontier of the digital revolution. In today's dive into the digital universe, we're unlocking the mysteries of artificial intelligence. We'll journey through the 7 cardinal rules of effectively wielding AI in any domain. From data gymnastics to setting goals sharper than a samurai's blade, we've got a treasure trove of insights waiting. Stick around, because understanding these could be the difference between mere survival and absolute dominance in the digital era. Number 1. Data collection and processing. The heart of artificial intelligence thrives on data. For any AI model to work efficiently, it requires a vast amount of relevant data. When organizations focus on accurate data collection, it ensures that the AI system is being fed appropriate and clean data. By clean, we mean data that is free from inaccuracies, biases, and irrelevant information. A well-curated dataset ensures that the model has all the information it needs to produce accurate predictions and insights. Having adequate data, however, isn't the end. Processing this data into a format that the AI system can digest is equally important. Pre-processing steps like normalization, handling missing data, and feature extraction are vital. Think of it as preparing a gourmet meal. You need quality ingredients, and they have to be cooked just right. Lastly, always be open to continuously updating your data set. As industries evolve, so does the data. Refreshing your AI model with new data will keep it current and ensure that it continues to provide accurate insights. Consistent updates can make the difference between an AI model that's cutting edge and one that's outdated. Number 2. Setting clear objectives. While it's exciting to delve into the world of AI, it's vital to begin with a clear objective. What exactly do you aim to achieve with your AI implementation? Is it customer service improvement, predicting market trends, or maybe automating manual tasks? Having a crystal clear objective sets the direction for the AI project and ensures that all efforts are channeled productively. Once you've set your primary objective, it's crucial to break it down into smaller, measurable goals. These incremental steps not only keep the project on track, but also offer a way to assess the effectiveness of the AI implementation at different stages. It's akin to a road trip. While the destination is essential, it's the landmarks along the way that assure you're on the right path. Always be flexible with your objectives. The field of AI is rapidly evolving. New innovations may present a better solution or alter the course of your current project. It's wise to remain adaptable and adjust your goals in line with the latest advancements and insights. Number 3. Prioritizing ethics and bias avoidance. The effectiveness of an AI system isn't just about its technical capabilities, but also its ethical standing. In recent years, there's been increasing concern over AI models unintentionally perpetuating biases. These biases, often stemming from the training data, can lead to unfair or skewed outcomes. Thus, it's essential to actively work on identifying and eliminating these biases. Start by understanding the origins of your data. Dive deep into its source and its collection methods and its demographics. Recognizing potential bias hotspots can aid in addressing them proactively. For instance, if an AI model trained solely on data from one geographical region is used globally, it might not perform optimally in other regions. Lastly, promote inclusivity in AI development. Diverse teams bring varied perspectives, reducing the chance of oversight regarding potential biases. They can offer unique insights and challenge the status quo, ensuring that the AI developed is both effective and ethical. Number 4. Integration with current systems. Any new technology, including AI, shouldn't stand alone in an organization. It should be seamlessly integrated into the existing systems. Why? Because true efficiency comes when AI complements the established procedure, enhancing them and not replacing them. Think of it as adding a turbo booster to your car's engine. The engine is still doing the primary work, but the booster amplifies its efficiency. Start by assessing your current systems. Understanding their strengths and weaknesses will help determine where AI can be the most beneficial. If a particular department, say customer service, is already excelling, implementing AI there might not yield significant benefit. But if another sector, like data analytics, is lagging, that's where AI can be a game changer. Once you've pinpointed where AI will be the most beneficial, ensure that its integration doesn't disrupt the workflow. Smooth integration is key. The transition should be as seamless as possible, with training provided for all involved parties. Always monitor and reassess. Technology, business landscapes, and objectives evolve. The AI integration that's perfect today might need tweaks tomorrow. Regular monitoring and feedback collection can ensure that your AI remains integrated optimally. Number 5. Continuous learning and adaptation. One of the unique aspects of AI is its ability to learn and adapt. Unlike traditional software, which remains static unless manually updated, AI has the potential to evolve. This adaptability can keep your systems on the cutting edge, but only if you harness it effectively. effectively. To start, you should employ machine learning models that support continuous learning. Such models can take new data, learn from it, and adjust their algorithms accordingly. For instance, an AI-powered chatbot can learn from new customer queries, improving its response accuracy over time. Next, always provide feedback loops. These loops allow the AI to understand when it's right and when it's wrong. It's like teaching a child. Positive reinforcement helps them learn and grow. For AI, this reinforcement comes from correct outcomes and user feedback. If significant changes occur, like a new product launch or a shift in market dynamics, retraining your AI model ensures it remains relevant. Think of it as a software update, but for your AI's brain. Number 6. Ensuring robust security measures. As with any digital technology, security is paramount. AI systems, given their data-dependent nature, can be vulnerable to threats and cyber attacks. Securing them ensures not only their effective functioning, but also the safeguarding of sensitive data. To begin with, always ensure that the data feeding into your AI system is encrypted, whether it's customer details, business insights, or any other form of data. Encryption acts as the first line of defense against potential breaches. Think of it as constructing a robust wall around your fortress, making it impervious to external attacks. Secondly, invest in regular security audits. These audits, done by specialized teams, delve deep into the AI system, identifying potential vulnerabilities. It's akin to a health checkup for your AI, ensuring it's in top shape and free from potential threats. Lastly, be wary of the algorithms you use. While open source algorithms are widely accessible and cost-effective, they may also be more vulnerable since their structure is publicly available. Sometimes opting for proprietary algorithms or adding custom layers to open source one can enhance the system's security. Number 7. Collaborating with experts. Navigating the complexities of AI can be challenging, and even if one has a foundational understanding, the nuances can be tricky. Collaborating with experts in the field can elevate the effectiveness of your AI implementation manifold. Firstly, consider forming partnerships or hiring AI specialists. These experts, with their deep understanding of the domain, can provide invaluable insights, ensuring your AI system is optimized for the best results. Just as you'd hire an architect for constructing a building, having an AI expert for your system ensures it's built on a solid foundation. Secondly, invest in training for your team. While having experts is essential, ensuring that your broader team understands the basics of AI can make the implementation smooth. Regular workshops or courses can keep your team updated, ensuring they can work in tandem with the AI system effectively. Lastly, participate in AI communities. Many AI professionals and enthusiasts frequently discuss the latest trends, challenges, and solutions in forums and communities. Engaging in these can offer fresh perspectives and solutions that you might not have considered. And there you have it, digital explorers, our decoded guide to AI mastery. Remember, in the world of ones and zeros, knowledge is your superpower. If today's journey added a bite of wisdom to your tech arsenal, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep innovating and stay curious.